An egg was thrown at BJP MLA and former Karnataka Minister Muniratna in Bengaluru, following which the legislator claimed that there were attempts on his life. He said if anything unfortunate happened, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, his brother D.K. Suresh, Congress leader Kusuma and her father Hanumantarayappa would have been responsible. The incident occurred when Muniratna, in the eye of a storm after a special investigation team probe was initiated against him recently, was at the Lakshmi Devi Nagar ward to attend a program at the local BJP office. As he was walking towards the office with his supporters, an egg was thrown at his head by a man who was later detained by the police. Speaking to reporters, Muniratna alleged that the attack was part of a conspiracy to kill him. He said, and I quote, "When I arrived at the venue, there were 100 policemen who told me that they were here to protect me as they were tipped off that I could be killed." In November, two people approached him in the guise of lawyers and told him that he could be killed according to the MLA, and he said, I quote, "I wrote to the President of India, Prime Minister, Home Minister, Enforcement Directorate and the CBI saying that if I were murdered, then Shivkumar, Suresh, Kusuma and Hanumantarayappa would be responsible." On Wednesday, the ploy was to attack him as a large group and then finish him off, Muniratna alleged. He was treated at the KC General Hospital and is expected to file a complaint at the Nandini Layout police station. Responding to the allegations, Shivkumar said he was not aware of the developments and would react after getting all the information. Muniratna, who was among the legislators that jumped ship to the BJP in 2019, has been at loggerheads with the DK brothers for the last few years. He sailed through, though the two had thrown all their might behind Congress candidate Kusuma to defeat Muniratna from the Rajrajeshwari Nagar constituency in the 2023 polls. Recently, two cases were registered against him and an SIT was formed to investigate the allegations. The first complaint involves an alleged caste-based abuse directed at a contractor. In the second case, a woman alleged that the MLA along with others raped her. The MLA was arrested in September and granted bail in October. For more such stories, keep watching The Indian Express.